Okay, so today we're going to learn how to use pictures of base 10 blocks to help us figure out some different numbers. Sometimes when we read problems in math, they might not make sense, so using pictures can help us see the problems better. Let's start by recreating some easy numbers. Watch me. 34. We're going to start with the 4 and color in 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and 1, 2, 3 tens. That makes 34.
Yes.
Okay. We have to start from the right side of our numbers because that's how we add numbers together and subtract and multiply too. There, that makes 34.
Okay.
Let's try another one. 79. So we start with the ones of 9. 6,
There is all 9.
8, 9. And then how many tens?
7.5.
Just 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens do I have?
7.
7. And how many nines?
A whole
Tens.
bunch.
How many ones? There we go.
I say a whole bunch.
A whole bunch. How many ones do I have here?
There, just 9.
Just 9. So we have 79 in these blocks.
What's next?
Let's find out.
I don't
Doesn't
think
erase very well, does it?
You're supposed to get that thing wet, not dry.
This is a dry erase marker, and it just doesn't want work very well.
Next time, stick with a wet one.
Maybe I will. All right. Let's see if you can do this next one. Can you make these blocks show 48?
4, 8.
Mm-hmm.
That.
Let's count the ones. 48. There you go. Can you make...
How about this?
Kind of works. At least we can go faster that way, huh?
Kind of.
Kind of. Do you think you can make 99?
9.
Mm-hmm.
And this.
Mm-hmm. And then make the blocks show 99?
Apparently, the whole thing could revolve.
It might be. I'm glad you started with the ones this time.
That.
Okay, let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here too.
Let's count. Wait. 1, 2,
Yes.
3.
Oh, hold on a minute.
There you go. Gotta make sure that there's 9 colored in. Okay, so we have 99 blocks here. All right. Let's see if we can erase all this.
Like this.
I think that eraser works a little better. Can you get those blocks? That's not too bad that time.
Okay.
Okay, nice job. Okay, so let's try some different kinds of numbers now and see if we can figure out how to create them on our block pictures. Can you color in 15 ones?
15.
Yeah.
Like this.
15 Watch me. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
8,
9.
9. Uh-oh. We can't count out 15 here. So what we're going to do is this makes 10 ones.
You'll
Okay.
have to not. You'll have to keep 5 alive.
And so this, we know 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yep.
So how many ones do we have?
5.
5. And how many tens do we have?
A single.
A single one. Very good. Let's try a different number. How about 23 ones?
Let me try.
Okay.
That.
Awesome. Because you know that these ones, we only have 9 of them, and we have to add up over to here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Is the eraser getting a little icky?
Kind of. Whatever.
Yep. How about 78 ones? What would you show there?
79.
78.
I mean 8. That.
Nice job. You are super.
Let's try this one.
Let's do something a little bit harder and see if we can do it.
Let me see it.
Just a little.
Actually, let me try.
You want to try it?
Okay, yes.
Okay. Let's try 18
How about
tens.
this? How about this one?
199?
Yeah.
Hang on. Let's try something first.
Hmm.
All right. Can you write 18 tens?
18 tens.
Mm-hmm. So write 18 and then tens down at the bottom. There you go. Okay, since we're not working with the ones yet, we're going to start with the tens. So count out 18 tens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, 10. If I wasn't right.
Yep, keep going. 7, 8. We only have 9 tens here. So we're going to color in one of these. Just like we had the ones, if we only had 9 of these and we counted over here to make 10, this makes 90. This will be 100. So this will be our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So color in this one. This
You mean
100.
100?
Yes, I'm sorry. So there's our 10 tens. And we erase these and keep counting. So 10,
10.
11,
You mean 100?
nope, 10, 11 tens, 12, 13. That's right. So here's 18 tens. We need to figure out how much we have here. How many is in this one?
1,
How many blocks?
9.
100 blocks. So we're going to do this.
That's
Say
more like 900, I see.
100. 100 blocks right in here. Okay. And then let's count by tens to find out how many we have here. 10,
9,
20,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
80.
That would
And then we add them together. How much do we have?
180.
Mm-hmm. 180. So 18 tens makes 180. We don't have any ones over here. There's 0.
Mm-hmm.
We have 8 tens
Yep.
and 1 100.
That's nice.
Let's try another one.
Talk about disturbing.
Press this space bar.
What? That's disturbing.
That is disturbing. All right. Let's try another one.
2 and 4.
24 tens.
We can
So
try.
we're starting over here. Okay. We're working with the tens, remember? We're not working with the ones. So we have to count out 24 of these.
10, 20.
Nope. 1,
2,
2,
3.
Keep going. There you go.
And then the last is 4.
Nope, we have to count out 24 of them. So here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now you're starting to confuse me too.
Okay. Remember, like we did with 18.
18,
okay.
And then...
So we have 9, 10.
Yep. 9, 10.
And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Have we gotten up here yet?
Far.
We've gotten to 19. We haven't gotten to 24, so we got 19, 20.
You'll have to get that one too.
I think so. So we have 20,
now
21.
2, 23, and 24.
There's 24 tens. Whew, that was a lot.
And the zero's blank.
And the 0 is blank. That's right. 100, 200. Plus 10.
20, 30, 40.
40. Equals 240.
Ooh.
Okay. So 24 tens is 240.
Oh, wow.
Would you like to try one on your own again?
Maybe one more time.
Maybe one more time? Okay. How about...
The biggest number. Tens.
33 tens. So do we have any 0 or any 1s over here?
Not quite.
No, we're not working with the 1s. We're just working with the 10s.
3, 2, 1. There we go. 1, 2, then a 3.
Mm-hmm. You found a pattern.
Pattern.
Mm-hmm. When we're working with tens,
Yep.
this is our tens, and this is our hundreds.
And this is blank.
And that is your 1s.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Let's do 65 tens.
65.
Yes, 65 tens.
65. There we go.
Okay. Can you make it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, remember, when we're working with our tens, this is going to be our tens. How many tens do we have?
5.
5.
I mean, should have said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 instead.
That's okay. And then how many?
How many hundreds?
Mm-hmm.
Single, double, triple, turkey, more turkey, a triple turkey.
Nice job, Jumar.
If there is a turkey.
If there is a turkey.
For 4 and 5 and 6.
I don't know.
I don't think that computer goes for this video.
I don't think so either. It says this is just going too long, isn't it? All right. Now we're going to try adding some different numbers together.
Add.
Okay. We're going to try 14 tens
Tens.
and 8 ones. So if we have 8 ones, what do?
We color them.
We color the ones in first or the tens in. What do you think?
We
always start with ones, so let's do
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8.
8. Okay, now we have 14 tens.
Yep.
Okay. What do we do with our tens?
Add them.
Okay. Do we have 1 here or 4 over here?
Maybe 1 here.
You remember?
1. 4.
4 tens. 2, 3, 4. And then what is this number?
1.
100 here. Okay. How many do we have? This is
We have 100. Time.
And how many tens do we have? Let's count by 10. 10,
20, 30, 40.
40. Plus how many ones?
0, 4, 1.
How many ones?
8.
8. And then how much is that all together?
8, 4, 1.
100.
48.
148. So 14 tens is this part. And then the 8 ones we add to that.
Whoa.
Is that a pretty cool number?
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's do another one.
That's funny. That's
tissues
funny.
work a lot better than my napkin did, that's for sure.
What's
All right.
this?
34 tens and 6 ones.
Then the ones.
Yep. So we start with the ones.
That
Awesome.
one.
Okay. And what do we do with the 34?
Color 4.
4 over here. And what next?
This one.
Okay, what do you do with that?
Color 1.
How many?
A single. 3.
Yep, we color 3 of them.
Single. Double. Triple.
Nice job. All right, so how much do we have here? 100,
200. 300.
300. That's a big number. How many do we have here? 10,
10, 20, 30, 40.
40. And then how many over here?
And then a 6.
And a 6 plus. How much do we have?
6, 4, and 3.
6, 4, 3. 300.
46.
346. So 34 tens and 6 ones. But we can see it. We can figure it out.
Yep. Very interesting.
Would you like to try one more?
Maybe this time one more.
This time one more? Okay. $29 tens. 13
Ones.
ones.
Ones is not enough.
Let's do this one together. So if we have just the ones at this point, so 13 ones, what do we do with that? That information.
We try one.
One what? 1 1 or 1 10?
Maybe 110.
1 10. And how much ones? How many ones?
3.
3. So there's our 13 ones.
Yep.
Now we have to add up 29 tens. What do we do with the 9?
One more 10.
We have to add 9 tens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
then
7,
finally
8,
9.
9. And erase these. So there's our 9 tens, and we have to add 2 more of these over here.
Double.
1,
Triple.
2. Okay, so 29 tens and 13 ones. Let's figure out, what do we have here? How many hundreds? 100?
200. 300.
300. How many tens?
How many 10s?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
Nope. Are there any colored?
Nope.
Nope. So how many ones do we have?
3.
3. So how much do we have?
3, 3.
3. What's this number? 0 goes
Row.
down here.
0, 3.
3. So 303.
Yep.
Okay. That was a tricky one.
Tricky one.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to try another tricky one?
I think you can.
Let's do it together. One more tricky one. 42 tens.
42 10s.
42 tens. Oh, we got a big number.
And then
64 ones. Okay. Remember, we always start with the ones.
that's right.
Okay. How many are we going to do? What are we going to do with this?
Color 6 of these.
You do that part.
Okay, I'll do it all the time.
Okay, and what about the 4?
It's right here.
Very good.
And what about the hundreds?
And what are we going to do with now? We have 42 tens. Okay, I'm going to cover this up for a minute. 42 tens. So we're not using the ones anymore.
We can try 100.
Hold on a minute. So the 2 is going to be with this column.
Column.
So use color in 2 more of these.
Without coloring your nail.
Hey, I like green. It's all right. And then what are we going to do with the 4?
Color it 4.
How many? Which ones? These ones or these ones?
These.
There you go. All right. So let's add this together. What do we have over here?
1, 2, 3, 4. 400.
400. How much do we have here?
1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
And then how many ones?
4. 484.
484.
Johnny can know this one too.
42 tens plus 64 ones is 484. You are doing awesome.
What a big deal they guy can be.
You are a big deal.
I met the whole math.
All right. We are going to end today.
Base 10 mate. Never heard that.
Matt.
Matt.
Mm-hmm. the problems that you can do all on your own with a pencil that has never been used.
That again.
And if you need to use this, you can.
This. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Complete.
All right. Have a good rest of your Saturday.
What's the 2013 doing on here now?
I think that's when they made the questions up.
The questions.
Yep.